everyone, my name is Lynn. Welcome to the new video. Before we get started, please remember to like, subscribe, give us a comment, and hit the bell and share this video. Let's go!
Okay, we're recording. So have fun. You can tell everyone what we're doing now too, okay?
So
this is big mirror. Right? You can show people how beautiful your costume is. See? No one can see your dress. Okay?
hi everyone, my name is Lynn, and I'm wearing my costume, Elsa. You might all know her. You might. And now let's go outside and take a walk. I wonder what's going to see. Let's go. So we go up here. We're going through that door. That's Lake George. This one's mosquito. And this is Lake George. Lake George. Let's go down. And we are here. There's a castle, and we have a bigger one. Isn't it nice? Let's go up to the rocks. Pulling up dress. So, and one trip right here. Whoa. Here we are. Wow. This is so beautiful. I probably want to ice power this place. Let's go up here. Wow. Oh my god. That's 1,000 of trees. Is there a dog inside there? What? Whoa! Let's go. Cool, isn't it? Is it beautiful and cool? I'd rather use my ice powers. Lake George. Let's go back up. So not any mosquitoes or flies will bite us. Gotta keep on moving. Let's explore more. Wow, that's a long way up. Upper so stew. If they kindly go upstairs and hurry back up. Wow. This is gorgeous. I would rather live in here forever. Silver one. Let's go back upstairs. Now explore in the inside. Oh, say hello, Mommy.
Hi.
Daddy.
Hi, Mama.
Go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Before you go, please remember to like, subscribe, give us a comment, and hit the bell. And share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye!